You're welcome to Airdrop Search, where we bring you quality airdrops and crypto updates. Today, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step processes on how to profitably mine TapSwap. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new update, you will be the first to be notified by YouTube. Let's go straight to the discourse of the day. You will definitely have to follow a link for you to sign up, and I've dropped this link and other relevant links on the comment section and also on the description box. Once you click on start, this is the page that you are going to see. The first thing you are going to do is to click on join community. Click on join community, TapSwap community. That is on Telegram. You click on join, then click on Twitter. You follow them on Twitter. I'm already following them, so let's go back. Let's activate the bot. We've not activated it yet. It's either you click on play or you click on start now, either of the two, but let me just click on start now. Click on start. So we've just launched the app. Look at this place. These are the levels involved. There are 11 levels or leagues. Level 1 is called Wood League, then Bronze League, Silver League, Gold League, Platinum League, Diamond League, Master League, Grandmaster League, Elite League, Legendary League, Mythic League. This is the last, and it's from 50 million TapSwaps. This is how you tap. Just tap within the golden circle. That's how you mine this that's one of the ways you mine it. Then let's look at the boosts option. You click on the boost, then you can see different options here, but let's first of all look at this, the multi-tap. We are on level 1, so we are going to buy the level 2. Now let's tap. You can see we are mining at 2 per tap, but let's increase this. Let's buy more. You can buy as much as you want. This is level 4. Let's see. You can see we are now mining at 4 TapSwap per click. This place is just like a reservoir. It recharges over time, and you can see the maximum recharge limit here is 500, and that is the energy limit, so we can increase it by buying. The level 2 is 200 coins, so we can buy it. Now let's see. You can see it has increased to 1000, but we can buy more as long as we have enough money or enough coin to buy. Now level 4 is 1000, and we don't have up to 1000. Now look at this particular recharging speed. The recharging speed is how quick that energy limit box recharges. You say +1 per second. It has 5 levels. If you buy the 5 levels, this reservoir box or the energy limit will recharge very quick. This is the tap bot. This bot works for you for a duration of 12 hours. You need to buy it at the rate of 200,000 coins, but currently I don't have 200,000 coins, So I'm going to come back later when I have such amount to buy it. The bot is the most important booster that you need because it works for you even while you are sleeping. Let's look at the task. You are going to join, you say join our socials, and you are going to earn 200,000 coins for it. Click on start mission. Now join the Telegram chat. Remember that we've joined this when we started. Then click on check. Say activity not confirmed. Are you certain you completed the task? Just leave it and go to the next. Click on check. Just also leave it and visit the website. We visited the website. Now let's go back. Also click on check. Now the Telegram chats task, click on it. You'll see done. Allow this to finish reading. Also click on check. Allow the website to finish. Click on check. Click on finish mission. Now you claim 200,000 coins. Now connect Solana wallet. You click on start mission. You will need to connect your Solana wallet, but in case you don't have any Solana wallet, you are going to click on the blue write-up for you to download Phantom wallet. Now you're going to click on go, but the option was not working, so I left it alone for the meantime. Once you enter any level, you are going to have a bonus to claim. I have entered the bronze league, so that was why I claimed that amount. Then let's come back to this boost. This is full tank and tapping guru. This tapping guru allows you to multiply your tap income by 5 times for 20 seconds, and it does not use the energy while you are tapping. You can see I'm tapping at 20 coins per tap, and that means that my tapping rate is 4. When you multiply 4 by 5, it gives you 20. That is why you need to increase your tapping limits as high as possible. Assuming you are tapping at 10 per tap, that means the booster will give you 50 coins per click, because 10 times 5 is 50. So let's quickly buy more levels. Level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, this is the tapping guru. So you can see, because we are on level 9, our tapping guru is now giving us 45 coins per click. And one thing I do is I use as much fingers as possible to tap at the same time for you to maximize your earning. That was the full tank option that I used. I want to increase the energy limit the more. Level 8. level 9, level 10. So as much as you have coins to buy, you can always buy the levels. This is the recharging speed, how fast the box can recharge. Let's click on the ref. This is where you are going to refer people. You click on invite a friend and copy your referral link. I have dropped the link and other relevant links on the comment section and also on the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you.